So now you can actually see that there's a difference. This template is the live preview, and this is the template that we are working on. As you can see that it is in the E drive index final.html, and you can see that it is uh, changed. The title is changed to Greenfield Residence, and this is the one from the place that we took, that is from Envato Market. So using this method we can change each and every title that we would like. If we have different content, we can use this template if you like it, and you can change the text, you can change the image and everything, and you can make it dynamic and according to your own liking. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and try some more. And yeah, so let's go ahead and search for few tags that we can change. So in this, it is the Greenfield Residence, so let's change it up a bit. So, and I'm going to use my other template that I found, so I'll use the text from here. And yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. So let's copy this and going right back to Sublime and putting in two quotes. And as you can see that this is called as a title, but we already have title, so we can rename this as subtitle or anything very relevant to that particular tag. So going back to gulp file, we renamed it as a subtitle, so make sure to type the same thing, colon, and within single quotes, going back in, and whatever we pasted, and the pink line is due to space, so just backspace that and comma. There we go. Newport Beach, California, and just save that. You can keep saving each time you make an edit so that you don't forget that you did that. So, and you can change this text as well. I'm going to use this portion right here. I think that much will do. So going back here, and it's right here. So if it's basically more than 2 or 3 words, I like to use the word DESC. So it basically means description. So description, colon, single quotes, comma, and then going back inside the single quotes and typing it in. And just remove the quotes because that's interrupting it. So enter. There we have it. We already have like 3 lines of text that is already dynamic, so that's very good.